In today's video, we're going to talk about how to install the Service Envoy database on your phone as an app or as a shortcut. If you are an Apple user, then there's no app install option at this time. You will just have to create a shortcut through your browser. If you're on Android, you can install it as a Chrome desktop shortcut, or you can actually install it as an app. Now, this isn't available in the Play Store. This is only available through our database website structure. What you'll do is open Chrome, go to your Service Envoy database web address. At this moment, we're hosting through Replit. At some point, we're probably going to host it on our own website, so this web address may change. If you do not log into the website, it gives you more options. What you're going to do is you're going to click this, and you're going to go to Add to Home Screen, and it will give you the option to create the shortcut or to install. If you are logged in, then it's going to pop up a different window. You'll go to the little menu, go to Add Home Screen, and in this case, it only allows you to install it instead of do the shortcut. Whatever you name it here is what's going to be in your app list. Go in here and delete this out and call it Service Envoy. I'm going to go ahead and do the install from when we're logged out of the app. So without being logged in, click this, add to home screen, and we want to install. Good news is it lets us rename it here as well. So I'm going to click here. Okay, it's installing. There it shows that it's installed. You can just swipe up to see your apps. Since we named it Service Envoy, it should be right there. Now we'll click this, drag it out to the desktop. We'll open. Now that you're logged in, it should stay logged in a lot longer. You're also not going to have to mess with like the Chrome tabs and different things like that. Installing the app, I think will make it much simpler for you. You'll be able to just click right into it. Now for iPhone and Safari, you're going to open the browser. Make sure you go to the website first, click the share button. You're going to click the more button. You're going to go to add to home screen, and then it gives you the option to change the name and spelling. You're going to hit the add button up in the top right, and then there is your icon. So that is installing the Service Envoy app on your Android and or creating the shortcut on your iPhone. See you in the next video.